Blanca is the name of the little truck. A 1987 Nissan pickup. She was as bare bones as they came. No air conditioning. Didn't even have a passenger side mirror. On a trip to California, my brother was super nice and let us use Blanca. So Dee and I headed out to El Dorado, California, outside of Sacramento, to pick up a camper shell. Then we headed down the Central Valley with the idea of taking I-5 all the way down to Southern California. But on that day it was 108 degrees, so we decided it'd be better to jump over to the coast. So we took Highway 1 down Big Sur, all the way through Southern California down to Fallbrook, and then to San Clemente, California, to visit Joe and Leah. We're friends of Dee's, and we just had a really nice time with them. Then we headed back up the coast again, and there's a lack of safety features on Blanca, but she just purrs along. She's just really a joy to drive. My hope for all of us is that we have a good companion to travel with, whether that's human, animal, or even a little truck. Thanks for watching.